In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change table themes in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to quickly update the overall look and feel of your tables across an entire workbook using Excel's built-in themes. This approach updates colors, fonts, and visual effects consistently, so your sheets feel polished and on-brand. First, make sure your workbook is open and you can see the Excel ribbon at the top. We'll begin on the Page Layout tab. This tab is where Excel puts the tools that control the document's overall appearance. If you don't see it right away, look along the top of the window for Page Layout and select it. Having at least one formatted table on a sheet will make the changes easier to notice, but it's not required. Next, in the Page Layout tab, find the Themes button. It's typically located on the far left of the ribbon. Click Themes to open the gallery. You'll see a collection of professionally designed options. As you hover over different themes, Excel may show a live preview in your workbook, so you can quickly compare before committing. If your workbook hasn't been saved recently, it's a good idea to save now. Changing themes affects the entire file. Now choose a theme from the gallery. When you select one, Excel instantly updates the workbook's theme colors and fonts. Your tables will adopt the new palette and typography automatically, adjusting header rows, banded rows, and accent colors to match. Charts, shapes, and smart art also inherit the new styling, which keeps everything cohesive. Pick a theme that balances readability and contrast. If your data is dense or you print frequently, prioritize clear fonts and strong color contrast so totals and headers stand out. After you've applied the theme, take a quick look through your other sheets. Because themes are workbook level, all sheets use the new design. This is helpful when you're preparing reports or dashboards that need a consistent identity. If anything looks off, perhaps a color doesn't play well with conditional formatting, open the Themes gallery again and try another option. And remember, if you change your mind, you can always undo with a quick keyboard shortcut. That's the process. Open Page Layout, click Themes, choose the look you like, and confirm that it updates across your workbook. This simple change can make your tables clearer, more professional, and easier to share. Save your file when you're happy with the result, and you're done.